Alright, this drop is a little challenging. It's got a side lane and a back lane over the house, and we got to direct it and land it right here where all this debris is. See if I can get the lean on this guy. Get out of the sun here. There it is. You can see the tip of it is over the center of the house. It's leaning that way and it's leaning backwards, so that's a challenging drop. And we're shooting for that center pine tree right there. Here's my groundsman. I'm going to set it up and here we'll go. I don't know, I hope you can see that. I can't see what it's looking at. Hopefully. Alright. Ready, Alfredo? Yep. We'll try to put it right here. Right, start pulling, just keep pulling, and I have to spin it on the way down. Alright? That one was fun.